During this tutorial, you learned to set up and use multiple currencies. Now it's easy to track international currency transactions as part of your day-to-day QuickBooks activities. We've made it easy to track foreign sales, purchases, banking, and credit card transactions. And setup is easy. First, open Preferences and select Multiple Currencies from the list to the left. Click Yes, I use more than one currency. We recommend you back up your file first, because once selected, this preference cannot be changed. Tell QuickBooks what your home currency is. This choice determines the currency you see on your financial statements. Next, you tell QuickBooks which foreign currencies you want to use in your international transactions. You can track currencies anywhere in the world. The X's mean these currencies are inactive. Click the X next to the currencies you want to make active and use. Then, uncheck Include Inactive to show only the currencies you do use. To download the latest exchange rates, click Activities and select Download Latest Exchange Rates. QuickBooks goes online and automatically downloads the latest rates so you always have accurate information. This rate means that €1 equals $1.50. During this tutorial, you learn to make a sale to a foreign customer. The principles you learn also apply to purchasing from a foreign vendor. When you set up or edit a customer, click the Currency drop-down list and tell QuickBooks what currency to use for this customer. Remember, the steps are the same for foreign vendors. It's easy to see which currency QuickBooks uses for each customer or vendor. When you assign a foreign currency to a customer, QuickBooks automatically creates an accounts receivable account for that currency. And entering foreign transactions is easy. There's nothing new to learn. For example, let's invoice our new European customer. Click Create Invoices. Just enter your customer like you usually do, and QuickBooks knows what currency to use for this customer. Enter the items as usual, and QuickBooks converts the price to euros. Your customer sees the item price and totals in their currency, and you see the value of the sale in your home currency. QuickBooks automatically adjusts these item prices based on the latest exchange rate you downloaded or entered. This means the foreign price could change every time you download exchange rates. What if you prefer to charge the same price in euros, even if the exchange rate changes slightly? For example, suppose you always wanted to charge €100 for these mini Lord Stolny cups. No problem. Use price levels to do this. To turn price levels on, open your Preferences and click Sales and Customers. Below Company Preferences, select Use Price Levels and click OK. Now open the price level list. Click Price Level and select New. Let's call this price level Euro Price. The price level type is per item. Please note, per item price levels are only available in QuickBooks Premier and QuickBooks Enterprise Solutions. Click the Currency drop-down arrow and select Euro. Enter the price in euros for each item. And click OK. Go to the Edit Customer window and click Additional Information. Click the Price Level List drop-down arrow and select Euro Price. Now when you enter a sale to this customer and select an item, QuickBooks automatically charges the price level you set for foreign customers. Click Save and Close. The next step is to receive the payment. Let's receive the payment via electronic deposit. When you click Receive Payments and enter a foreign customer, QuickBooks automatically expects to receive foreign currency, euros in this case. Enter the payment and click Save and Close. Click Record Deposits to record the money going into your checking account. QuickBooks displays all payments for a specific currency together. Select the payment you want to deposit and click OK. The actual dollar amount you receive is determined by the rate the bank uses. In this case, the bank informed you that the exchange rate they used was €1 equals $2. Enter 2 in the exchange rate field. Now, QuickBooks displays the value you received in dollars. Click Save and Close. Here's what's happened so far. When you invoiced for the sale, €1 was worth $1.50, so the sale of €100 was worth $150. However, the exchange rate changed, and now €1 is worth $2. When your customer paid €100, you actually received $200, a $50 gain. To see this gain, click the Reports menu and select Company and Financial, Realized Gains and Losses. QuickBooks displays the gain here. Let's look at how QuickBooks displays money owed to you in foreign currencies before you receive payment. These customers have outstanding balances. These balances are listed in euros. On the chart of accounts, QuickBooks displays the foreign accounts receivable account balance in euros. Please note, QuickBooks displays the foreign accounts payable, bank, and credit card balances in the foreign currency too. However, when you run financial statements, QuickBooks uses the exchange rate at the time of the transactions to display the value of these accounts in dollars. Remember, the steps for setting up and creating foreign purchase, banking, and credit card transactions are very similar. Consult the help file for more information about these transactions and about how foreign transactions affect your reports. We wish you luck with your business overseas. We hope you enjoy using QuickBooks and find that it helps you manage your business more effectively.